Hazrat Shoba has reported from Hazrat Hakam that it is permissible, and Hazrat Hassan bin Ali alayhi salam donated his debt. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if someone owes to some other person, he should pay it off or get it remitted. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu narrates, my father was martyred and he was in debt. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the creditors either to accept the dates of my father or remit the date of my father. Hazrat Ibn Ka'ab bin Malik narrates that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu told them that his father was martyred in the battle of Uhud. Thus when the creditors became violent in demanding their rights, I went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, ask them to take the fruit of my garden dates and lighten the burden of my father. When they refused, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not give them any garden and got the fruit picked from them, but said, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills, tomorrow I will come to you. Next day, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came early in the morning, moved about in the garden and blessed its fruit. Thus I picked them and I paid off their rights, and a lot of dates were left for us. Then I went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he was sitting and informed him of it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Umar, who was sitting there, O Umar, listen. He radiyallahu anhu said, why didn't it happen so? We know that you are Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you are certainly Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2601.